Tend weg nyamburko pacho ka ochungo ng'anyo mare gi tok romo kod jalupo gae mar obila Eliud Lagat mako tende kod weng'o mar nyamburko mabende nomiyo weg nyamburko go bago ng'anyo. Kaluwore gi Lagat, nitie jonjore mosedonjore e kind joriemb apiko kendo gineme wachore ni giwang'o nyamburko ahinya to e kinde ma nyamburko go kelo masira e apaya. Jakom mar weg nyamburko wacho ni singo mar obila tiyo kodgi kanyachiel en fongruok kendo gibiro neno ni gitieko chutho kido mar wang'o nyamburko kod kuo mitudogo jariemb apiko pachoka.
People who perpetuate this kind of crime are not the bodaboda per se, but these are criminals within that industry. We have assured our colleagues or our friends from the matatu industry that the police are not going to condone this kind of crime.
We are calling off the strike. We're not going to have any strike again. We are businessmen. Wherever we have a strike, we know that our business suffers a lot. So today we are happy with the Deputy DIG. He has listened to us, and going forward we are going to work very closely with the police to make sure that everything is going well.
We are told that all the agencies of the police, the DCI, and all cases that has happened in the past are being forwarded to the ODPP for prosecution. So we feel safer, and we thank the National Police Service for taking this matter, which has been very serious.